Assuring business operations and services, working across open and closed loops. Welcome. Business operations and services are often an interconnected series of processes and data flows across a range of stakeholders with varying roles, permissions, and authorities with decision making. Much of the AI hype and AI bubble benefits is based on simple closed loop scenarios such as those coding with AI and how good AI is at writing code. Seldom are the coders tasked with operation services from the products developed in operating solutions with complex stakeholder requirements and in responding across variable skills and expertise. This is working in an open loop environment and is common across business. The hype around cyber attack management, such as Mythos, with having AI identify vulnerabilities and fix code, is entirely closed loop. This simplicity overlooks the realities of data service dependencies, the required business integration and operations, priorities, and sustaining business. The whole of business response and the open loop requirements are often omitted within the AI hype and AI bubble. Our AI needs to work with the realities of both closed loop and open loop operations and services, which are explored further. Regimes for data provision, supply, access, continuity, and assurance impacts business services. Our AI and models use data. Consider the advertising on social media. Many details of the audience are understood, the advertiser preferences are well established, and billing details known. This is a comparative closed loop with corresponding AI performance. As the complexity increases, the more data involved from varying sources of different types across stakeholders and permissions with variable quality and regulatory regimes, the more open loop the data requirements. Using open loop data requires more processes, controls, frameworks, policies, and procedures, as well as requiring more effort and cost. In business, we need our AI to support both open and closed loop data. Regimes of dependencies for sustaining operations and services with AI. Beyond managing data across closed and open loops for our AI, business has a need to work across associated systems, having AI access data and interface across a range of current and legacy systems. Related data regime. The data required for AI, including supply, provision, quality, access, continuity, permissions, and for varying data types. Integrated processes. Having processes automated with AI and AI agents across operations and services, as well as with vendors, agencies, and channel partners. Permissions and access continuity. Assuring the regime for access, permissions, and continuity of use of AI with data and processes. Business readiness and operational integration. enabling business to operate around AI. Extended stakeholder engagements, assuring operations and services across the logistics chain and value stack. AI may make all of these much easier in the future, but the proven pragmatic practicalities are different now, and the human factor continues its importance. This is operations open loop. AI within cybersecurity for the business regime. Whether it is writing code, managing cybersecurity, sales of products and services, or managing regulators, business is a series of complex processes and data needs across a diversity of stakeholders. AI within business needs to support extended open loop operations with selected closed loops within operations and services. On screen is just a selection of considerations. Thank you. The AI we want, need, and deserve needs to manage the data and work across complex open loops with multiple stakeholders, regulatory regimes, data sources, and processes. Can keep with the AI hype and AI bubble across closed loops and then realize the failed investments, or we can grow our businesses, keep customer trust, and realize new products and services.